is the excess. Again, which formula you should use? A plus b whole square formula. Okay, tell me what is the a plus b whole square formula? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so a plus b whole square is apply this formula for this. X square plus 1 square is 1 plus 2ab, that is 2 into x into 1, that is 2x is equal to this side 2 into x, 2x, 2 into minus 3, minus, yeah, so 2x minus 6. And x square plus 1 plus 2x, I am sending these two terms to this side, it becomes minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, so implies, and you don't write equal to here. Okay, so put implies, already there is equal to in the equation. Okay, so you start with implies. X square, here see plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled. What you are getting? Plus 1 in here plus 6. So you add plus 7 is equal to 0. It is in the form of quadratic equation or not? Yes, it is in the form of quadratic equation. So you can write in the form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so I am writing in the form of ax square, and here you can have a doubt that there is no x term, no? So it means it cannot be a quadratic equation. No, it can be a quadratic equation because x square term is there. Here x square term is there. So I am writing in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So for that I am taking x coefficient 0. Okay, plus 7 is equal to 0. Is it clear? So now it is in the form of quadratic equation. Yes. So here you write the conclusion that therefore it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So therefore the given thing is quadratic equation. Is it clear? So the first one is quadratic equation. And let us solve the second one. X square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x. So here you simplify, x square minus 2x is equal to, I multiply minus 2 by 3. So minus 2 into 3 minus 6, minus 2 into plus 6, that is plus 2x. So x square minus 2x, I am sending these two terms to this side, minus 6 becomes plus 6, plus 2x becomes minus 2x is equal to 0. And x square minus 2x minus 2x minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. So now it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So the given expression is quadratic equation. Okay, so here you write the conclusion, therefore it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So therefore the given equation is quadratic equation. Okay, so the first question is quadratic equation, the second question is also a quadratic equation. Third one, let us solve the third one. X minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. So here you need to simplify it. So multiply by x into x square, x into plus 1 plus x, and after you multiply by minus 2 with each term, minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus 2 into plus 1, minus 2 is equal to, next x into x square, x into plus 3, plus 3x, minus 1 into x, minus 1 into plus 3, that is minus 3. So here see, both sides x square term is there, no? Here plus x square, that side also plus x square, so get cancelled. Okay, even you bring the terms to this side, it get cancelled. Okay, so here you solve it, this is x term, this is also a x term. So like variables, right? So you can do subtraction or addition. So here plus x and here minus 2x. It would be minus x minus 2 is equal to plus 3x minus x, that is 2x minus 3. Okay. So implies I am sending these two terms to this side. It becomes minus x minus 2 plus 2x, it comes to this side, becomes minus 2x, minus 3 becomes plus 3 is equal to 0. And minus 6 minus 2x minus 3x minus 2 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. So, and you multiply by minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Tell me, is in the form of quadratic equation? No, it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. So, here I am writing the conclusion. Therefore, it's not a quadratic equation. So, why it is not a quadratic equation? Why it is not a quadratic equation? Because it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, there is no x square term. That's why it is not the quadratic equation. Okay, so third question is not a quadratic equation. And the fourth one. So, let us do the fourth one and let us see whether it is quadratic equation or not. You simplify it, x into 2x, 2x square, x into plus 1 plus x, and after you multiply by minus 3 into 2x minus 6x minus 3 into plus 1 minus 3 is equal to x into x square, x into plus 5x. Okay. So, here implies 2x square plus x minus 6x minus 5x minus 3. I am sending these two terms to this side. It becomes minus x square plus 5x becomes minus 5x is equal to 0. So, 2x square minus x square minus 5x minus 10x. And what is the constant term here? Minus 3 is equal to 0. So, look at this. Is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0? Yes, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, it's a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Is it clear? So, here there are a, b, c. It is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, the fourth one is quadratic equation. Is it clear? So, this is the fifth one and this is the sixth one. So, let us solve and let us check whether it is quadratic equation or not. Solution. So, 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5 multiplied by x minus 1. You need to solve it. Simplify it. 2x into x, 2x square, 2x into minus 3, minus 6x, minus 1 into x, minus x, minus 1 into plus 3 is equal to x into x square, x into minus 1, minus x, plus 5 into x, plus 5x, plus 5 into minus 1, that is minus 5. Okay. So, 2x square minus 6x minus x minus 7x. Okay. Plus 3 is equal to x square minus x plus 5x, that is plus 4x minus 5. Okay. Now, 2x square, I am sending this plus x to this side, it becomes minus x square, minus 7x, I am sending this plus 4x to this side, it becomes minus 4x. And here what is there? Plus 3, and I am sending this minus 5 to this side, it becomes plus 5 is equal to 0. Now, 2x square minus x square, minus 7x minus 4x minus 11x, plus 3 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay. So, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. So, therefore, the given expression is quadratic equation. Okay. So, therefore, it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Okay, clear? So, let us check the fourth one. Fourth one, x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. Okay, so x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. So here I am not changing LHS, x square plus 3x plus 1. Here look at the RHS, it is in the form of a minus b whole square. What is the formula of a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So you apply x square, that is a square plus b square is plus 2 square minus 2ab, that is 2 into a is x, b is 2. Is it clear? B is not minus 2. B is not minus 2. Here you already kept minus. Okay, so here b is 2. So a is x, b is 2. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. That's it. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x square plus 2 square is 4 minus 2 2s are 4, 4x. So here see both sides, here plus x square, here this side plus x square get cancelled. So here 3x plus 1 is equal to 4 minus 4x. So I'm taking these two terms to this side, 3x plus 4x, here plus 1 and here minus 4 is equal to 0. 3x plus 4x, 7x plus 1 minus 4, that is minus 3 is equal to 0. So tell me, is this in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0? No, it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So it is not a quadratic equation. Therefore, it's not a quadratic equation because there is no x square term. Is it clear? So the fifth one is quadratic equation and the sixth one is not a quadratic equation. This is the seventh one of exercise 4.1. Let us see this is quadratic equation or not. Okay, so read the question. X plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. A plus b whole cube, right? What is the formula of a plus b whole cube? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, right? So now we express LHS in the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So implies x cube, yeah. So here a is x, b is 2. So x cube, that is 2, yeah, x cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into x into 2 into x plus 2 is equal to 2x into x square, 2x cube minus 2x into 1, 2x. Yeah, so x cube plus 2 cube is 8 plus 2 3s are 6, 6x into x plus 2 is equal to 2x cube minus 2x. Now I'm taking these two terms to this side. So x cube plus 8 plus, again you simplify this, 6x into x, 6x square, 6x into 2 plus 12x minus 2x cube plus 2x is equal to 0. Okay, so x cube minus 2x cube, x cube minus 2x cube, that is minus x cube. 6x square, yeah, I'm writing the terms in the descending order of powers, and 12x plus 2x, that is plus 14x, and plus 8, yeah, plus 8, just plus, yeah, plus 8. Okay, so look at this, is in the form of quadratic equation? No, it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is not a quadratic equation. It's not a quadratic equation. So I am writing the conclusion that therefore it's not a quadratic equation. Yeah. Now we will solve eighth one. Okay, so we will check whether it is quadratic equation or not. Okay, so the question is x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole cube. So x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to, it is already in the simplified version. I am not changing LHS. Okay, so look, RHS, it is in the form of a minus b whole cube, right? So here we need to use a minus b whole cube formula. So what is a minus b whole cube formula? Here I am writing a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay, you need to memorize algebraic formulas. So these are very important. Okay, so here a plus b whole cube formula and this is a minus b whole cube formula. So for a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. All plus symbols will come. Coming to the a minus b whole cube, all minus symbols, all minus signs will come. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Is it clear? So remember a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube formula. So now we write this RHS in the form of expanded form. So that is x cube minus 8 minus 3 into x into 2 into x minus 2. Okay, so x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x cube minus 8 minus 3 2s are 6. 6x into x minus 2. Say both sides x cube terms are there, no? So here plus x cube, here plus x cube. So this one get cancelled and what I am getting, minus 4x square minus 6 plus 1 is equal to minus 8 minus 6x into x, 6x square minus 6x into minus 2, that is plus 12x. Okay, yeah, so now I'm taking these three terms to that side. It becomes minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8, and now minus 4x square comes to this side, it becomes plus 4x square, and minus x becomes plus x, plus 1 becomes minus 1 is equal to 0. So now minus 6x square plus 4x square, that is minus 2x square plus 12x plus x plus 13x minus 8 minus 1 minus 9 is equal to 0. So you multiply by minus, then 2x square minus 13x plus 9 is equal to 0. Is it clear? So is this in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0? Yes, it is. Okay, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation. Is it clear? So write the conclusion. Therefore it's a quadratic equation. Okay, it is a quadratic equation because it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so here a is 2, b is minus 13 and c is plus 9. And that one is not a quadratic equation. Which one? 7th one. 8th one is a quadratic equation. Okay, exercise 4.1. And this is the second question, first one. So read the second question. Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. So we have to understand the given question. Okay, we have to understand the given question and we need to represent this question mathematically in the form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Is it clear? So let us understand the question. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot in meter is 1 more than twice its breadth. Find length and breadth of the plot. Okay, so what is given? What is given? So first you write given thing. Given that area of a plot, area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. Okay. And what is given? The length is 1 more than twice its breadth. Okay, so that is, we don't know the breadth and length, right? So I am taking let the length of the, that is, so given that the area of the rectangular plot is 528 meters square, we don't know the length and breadth. Okay, so let let the breadth of rectangular plot is x meter, okay, x meter, and length of plot is, what he said, length is 1 more than twice its breadth. It means what? We add 1 for twice of its breadth, that is 2x plus 1, okay, 2x plus 1 meter. Is it clear? So the breadth is x meter, then 2 times of breadth means 2x, okay, 2x, 1 more than means plus 1, okay, so 2x plus 1, that is length, okay. So what is the area of the rectangular plot formula? What is the area of the rectangle formula? Length into breadth. So area of the rectangular plot is given, right? What is that? 528 is equal to, what is the length? 2x plus 1 multiplied by, what is the breadth? X. So you simplify it, 528 is equal to 2x into x, 2x square, okay, and plus 1 into x, x. So 2x square plus x, I am sending this plus 528 to that side, it becomes minus 528 is equal to 0, okay. So what is the equation we got? 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. The required representation of the problem mathematically. Is it clear? So we expressed the given equation, the given problem in the form of quadratic equation, okay. So that is what he asked, right? Represent the following situations in the form of a quadratic equation. Is it clear? So we understood the situation and we expressed the given situation in the form of quadratic equation. So what we got? Quadratic equation 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. This is the second question of The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. Okay, so we represent this situation in the form of quadratic equation. So what is the consecutive numbers? X. So like for an example, you take number series 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay, so to get the 2, you need to add 1 to the 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5 and so on. Okay, so consecutive positive integers. For example, if I take x, what is the next number? It would be x plus 1. Is it clear? So he's given the product of two consecutive positive integers. So I am taking let consecutive positive integers be x and x plus 1. Okay, so their product is given. How much? 306. So product means multiplication. You multiply x and x plus 1. So x into x plus 1 is equal to 306. You multiply x into x, x square plus x is equal to 306. X square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. Okay. See, we got the equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That is x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. Okay. So we represented the given situation in the form of quadratic equation. Okay, and he also asked to find out the integers. It means x values. So let us find out. And first, just you understand the concept and how to represent the given situation in the form of quadratic equation. Later we will learn how to find out the x values. Okay, so by using 3 methods we will learn those in the next video. Yeah, so just you understand how to represent the given equations in the form of quadratic equations. That is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the third question. Look, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. Okay. So solution, Did we know Rohan's present age? No. So let it be x years. So we don't know, right? So let the present age of Rohan is equal to x years. Okay. Then what is the age of the Rohan's mother? He is given 26 years older than him. It means 26 plus x. Okay. So and the age of the present age. Okay. So you write present. We are writing present ages, right? So present age of Rohan's mom. Rohan's mom is 26 plus x years. Okay. Yeah. So years. Yeah. So the product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. So 3 years from now. It means 3 years from now means what? It is in the future, right? So future. After 3 years, Rohan age will be x plus 3. Okay. So 3 years will be added for the present age. So present age, Rohan present age is x years. After 3 years, it becomes x plus 3. Okay. So after 3 years from now, Rohan's age will be x plus 3 years. Okay. And see, after 3 years, Rohan's mom age will be, you add 3 to the 26 plus x, that is 26 plus x plus 3 is equal to 29 plus x years. Okay, these are the future ages of Rohan and Rohan's mother. Okay, now what he is given? 3 years from now will be 360. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. It means what we take x plus 3 and 29 plus x is equal to 360. You understood? Is it clear? So we take the product of future ages, that is x plus 3 and 29 plus x is equal to 360. So multiply x into 29x and x into plus x square plus 3 into 29, 87 plus 3x is equal to 360. Okay. So I am writing in the order, that is x square plus 3x plus 29x, that is 32x, right? So 32x plus 87 minus 360 is equal to 0. So that is x square plus 32x minus 360 minus 273 is equal to 0. So look, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We represented the given situation in the quadratic equation format. Okay, is it clear? So what is the quadratic equation we got? X square plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the fourth question, and let us represent this situation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Yeah, let us read the question. A train travels a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. Okay, so what is the distance is given? 480 kilometers. Okay. Yeah, so it is in the first case, the train travels a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. So let the uniform speed of train be x kilometer per hour, or u. Okay, so let us represent u is speed. Okay, u is speed of the train, u kilometer per hour. Okay, So with this uniform speed, it is covering how much distance? 480 kilometers. Okay. Then how much time it will take? What is the time formula? What is the speed formula? Speed is equal to distance by time. Then time is equal to distance by speed. Okay. Speed is equal to distance by time. Then time is equal to distance by speed. So then time taken. So when it is covering 480 kilometers with this uniform speed u, then time taken will be time taken t1. Okay, this is the first case, right? T1 is distance by speed. So what is the distance? 480 by what is the speed? U. Okay, yeah. And if the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. If the speed, according to the question, if the speed had been 8 km per hour less, it means new speed would be u minus 8, right? U minus 8 kilometer per hour. Okay, then how much time it takes? T2. Okay, so T2 is same distance it is covering, right? 480 by what is the speed? Right now 8 kilometer per hour is less than u kilometer per hour, that is u minus 8. Okay, it is taking 3 hours more. It means plus 3. You got it? You understood? So according to the question, when the speed is lesser than like 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more. So we added 3 to the new time. Is it clear? So then according to the question, the distance is same, right? So we can equate 480 by u is equal to 480 by u minus 8 plus 3. Okay, so take LCM. 480 by u plus is equal to 480 by u minus 8 I am taking it as LCM. So then plus 3 into u minus 8. Do cross multiplication, then 480 into u minus 8. 480 into u, 480 u minus 480 into 8, 3840 is equal to u into 480. 480 u plus u into 3 into u minus 8, that is 3u into u minus 8. Okay, so both sides 480u get cancelled, right? Minus 3840 is equal to 3u into u, 3u square, minus 3u into minus 8, minus 24u. Is it clear? Plus 3u into minus 8, 3 8s are 24u. Okay, so then it would be 3u square minus 24u. I am taking minus 3840 that's it, becomes plus 8 plus 3840 is equal to 0. Is it clear? So this is in the form of quadratic equation, that is 3u square minus 24u plus 3840 is equal to 0. So you can also take common 3. So 3840 is divisible by 3. So what is the final simplified expression? U square. Yeah, so divide this equation by 3. So u square minus 8u plus 1280 is equal to 0. Okay, clear? So we represented the given situation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Is it clear? So what is u here? What is u? That is the uniform speed of the train. So if you know how to solve the quadratic equation, then you can find out the u values. Is it clear? So what is u? Speed of the uniform speed of the train. So this u will satisfy this quadratic equation. So I hope you understood and what is quadratic equation, what is the standard form of the quadratic equation, and how to represent the given problem in the form of quadratic equation.